What's up, future millionaires? Welcome to Kingdom Cash. Today we're about to embark on a journey that could completely transform your financial future. I'm not talking about those recycled business ideas you see everywhere. No dropshipping, no Amazon FBA, none of that oversaturated stuff. Instead, I'm about to reveal 7 groundbreaking business models that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. These opportunities are so fresh that most gurus don't even know they exist yet. But here's the crazy part. Some of my students are already generating $50,000 plus per month with these methods. Before we dive in, let me share something personal. 2 years ago, I was stuck in a 9-to-5 dreaming about financial freedom. Today, I run multiple successful online businesses generating over $300,000 per month combined. The secrets I'm about to share with you are the exact strategies that made this possible. So grab your notebook, remove all distractions, and prepare to have your mind blown. This isn't just another YouTube video. This is your blueprint to financial freedom in 2025. Let's kick things off with something revolutionary. Forget about creating simple online. In 2025, the real money is in building comprehensive AI-powered knowledge ecosystems. These systems are fundamentally changing how people learn and acquire skills. A knowledge ecosystem is a digital environment that adapts and grows with each user. Imagine a learning platform that doesn't just deliver content, but actually understands each user's learning style, pace, and goals. Thus, its approach based on user performance and engagement, creating truly personalized learning experiences. The implementation of this business model starts with selecting the right niche. You'll want to focus on industries with high-value skills that are constantly evolving. Fields like cybersecurity, quantum computing, and AI development are perfect examples. These areas not only require regular updates to stay current, but also command premium pricing due to their complexity and market demand. The technical foundation of your ecosystem begins with developing custom AI models. You'll need to partner with AI developers to create specialized models trained on expert knowledge in your chosen field. These models will power everything from content generation to learning path optimization. The key is creating systems that can not only deliver information but also verify understanding and implementation. Content development goes far beyond traditional course creation. You'll need to develop multi-format materials that work together seamlessly. This includes video tutorials that adapt based on user progress, interactive practice environments, real-world project simulations, and expert mentorship components. The goal is to create a comprehensive learning environment that addresses every aspect of skill development. The monetization strategy for knowledge ecosystems is particularly powerful because it allows for multiple revenue streams. Monthly membership fees can range from $97 to $997, depending on the value of the skills being taught. Enterprise licensing can command $5,000 to $50,000 per month, especially for companies looking to train entire teams. Additional revenue comes from white label solutions, API access, and custom implementation packages. One of my students, Michael, implemented this model in the blockchain development niche. He started with a $20,000 investment in AI development and content creation. His focus wasn't just on teaching blockchain concepts, but on creating an ecosystem that actively guided implementation and verified skill development. Within 6 months, he was generating $87,000 in monthly recurring revenue. The key to his success was creating a system that not only taught the material but actively guided students through real-world application. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. For our final groundbreaking opportunity, we're diving into the quantum computing industry. But here's the twist. Instead of competing with tech giants, we're building the bridge between classical and quantum computing. This opportunity is particularly exciting because it addresses a critical gap in the market. The quantum computing market is projected to reach $2.5 billion by 2025, Yet 95% of businesses lack the expertise to integrate quantum solutions. This creates an enormous opportunity for middleware providers who can bridge this gap. The key is not trying to compete with quantum hardware manufacturers, but rather focusing on making their technology accessible and practical for everyday businesses. The core of this business model revolves around creating integration solutions that make quantum computing accessible to traditional businesses. This includes developing APIs that allow classical systems to interface with quantum computers, creating data translation layers that optimize information flow, and building error correction systems that improve reliability. You'll also need to develop resource optimization tools and performance monitoring systems to ensure efficient use of expensive quantum computing resources. Industry-specific solutions are where the real value lies. Financial institutions need quantum-powered modeling tools for risk assessment and portfolio optimization. Pharmaceutical companies require platforms for drug discovery and molecular simulation. Supply chain companies need optimization algorithms that can handle complex logistics problems. Each industry vertical presents its own opportunities for specialized solutions. The implementation strategy for this business should begin with building strong foundations. This means establishing partnerships with quantum hardware providers and developing your core middleware framework. You'll want to create industry-specific templates and demonstration projects that showcase the practical benefits of your solutions. As you move into market entry, focus on specific industries where you can quickly demonstrate value through proof-of-concept projects. The revenue model for quantum middleware solutions is particularly attractive because it combines multiple income streams. Initial setup fees range from $25,000 to $100,000, depending on the complexity of the integration. Monthly licensing fees can run from $5,000 to $50,000, particularly for enterprise clients. Usage-based pricing provides additional revenue as clients scale their quantum computing applications. Consulting services and training programs round out the revenue mix, providing both additional income and opportunities for client relationship building. One of our community members, Sarah, has found remarkable success in this space. She launched her quantum middleware company with a focus on the financial sector, recognizing that banks and investment firms had both the need for quantum computing solutions and the budget to implement them. Within 8 months, she had secured 3 major banks as clients, generating $180,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Her success came from understanding that these institutions didn't need someone to explain quantum computing to them, they needed someone to make it work for their specific use cases. Empire builders, you've just witnessed 7 of the most innovative and profitable online business models for 2025. But remember, knowledge without action is worthless. Your path to success begins with careful selection of your business model. Spend your first week thoroughly reviewing each option, assessing your skills and resources, and researching market demand. Choose the model that best aligns with your capabilities and interests. The planning phase should take 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, develop a detailed business plan that outlines your implementation strategy, identifies necessary resources, and sets specific milestones. Create a realistic timeline that accounts for both learning curves and market testing. Launch preparation typically takes 4 to 6 weeks. Use this time to acquire any necessary skills or resources, build your minimum viable product, and establish key partnerships. Create a comprehensive marketing strategy that focuses on reaching your ideal customers and demonstrating clear value. Market entry is where theory meets reality. Plan for a 12-week initial launch period where you'll run a pilot program, gather customer feedback, and optimize your operations. Focus on scaling what works and quickly adjusting what doesn't. Remember, success in online business isn't about getting everything perfect from day one. It's about launching, learning, and iterating based on real market feedback. The biggest risk isn't failure, it's missing out on opportunities while you wait for the perfect moment. The time to act is now. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.